感受喎。
What about the fog?
Well, it's foggy, so how do you find it?
又冇理由即坐落去。
How do you find the whole cable car experience?
It's nice, but I do hope your face is at the other end of the fog, so I don't get scared.
Really?
Yeah.
Oh, there, look. It's so foggy, I can't zoom on the map. I'm trying to zoom the lens. Zoom into the path.
咁啊，好天氣都有嘅呢啲雲，上得高。除非真係。
So how do you find the whole
真係
trip?
嗰日啊，嗰日就好曬㗎咯，好曬藍天白。
This trip. This trip to the Big Buddha Monastery. Oh, I'm sorry.
Poland. Actually, Poland. Poland Monastery.
Ew.
Are you really an interviewer?
No. I'm just
You're kind of getting on my nerves. This long cut. Let's just cut this short. I don't want to be interviewed.
Why?
Long cut, please. Go.
It's toots.
I'm sorry, toots.
Ew.
英文名我哋都咩喎？哇！睇下幾靚。